Nobody else has ever done anything that wasn't their best attempt at that time with the resources they had available to them to get their precious universal human needs met. Mm-hmm. And empathy is a ultimately our capacity to restore our sense of innocence, mm-hmm. my own innocence, to look at a being through the eyes of innocence and see their confusion, to see the preciousness of their needs, and to see how confused they might have been when they tried to meet that need through such a strategy that would cause such harm. Mm-hmm. And it's a restoring of another being's innocence, because we are all innocent. Because I don't wake up every day fully resourced, depending on what I had for breakfast, how well I slept, whether Lillian and I are in some kind of a little argument or not. I'm bringing very different resources to the table on a daily basis. Mm-hmm. And may we all be fully resourced. This right here, this nourishment that we're taking in now, and this remembering that we are doing now is a form of resource mm-hmm. that we now get to bring to our next unmet need. Mm-hmm. And so we are learning to accumulate the most precious resources. Mm-hmm. And one of those is our capacity to listen, mm-hmm. is our capacity to not react or respond or clap back or project out or defend ourselves. Unless there's literal physical danger or harm, please don't endure any kind of harm. But we are cultivating the capacity to just listen, mm-hmm. to take in another being, to drop all pretenses and defenses, and to see right through the facade of their tragic strategy into the delicate human heart mm-hmm. and the precious needs that they might be trying to meet, and just speak directly to that heart and those needs.
Yeah.